Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Samantha and I do skin bleaching tips and review all about the skincare. So in this video I'll be telling you about products you probably need to throw in the bin if it's expired. Reason being, this can cause serious skin conditions you may not know or even think about it, but maybe the reason why you're having acne and rash on your skin is because you're using an expired product, especially skin lightening product or products on a old you need to throw away so long as it's expired. Example, suppose you have pills and they're expired, do not take them. If you have food and it's expired, you need to throw that away because these are not healthy for your inside nor outside. So guys, you need to just throw it in the bin. It doesn't really matter how much you pay for that product. Listen, your skin is more important than the money that you spend on that product. Okay, that is the reason why I make sure I make this video for persons who are using the product. Oh, I spend 100 US on this product and I just can't make my 100 US go away like that. Well, your skin is going to be not flawless because the product has no use to your skin no more. It's expired. You have to understand that, right? So my tip to you is that when you're going skin lightening shopping or any products or anything in life, make sure to check your expiry date because you do not want to have issues with your skin, whether it is products for your skin or food. You need to know your expiry date. What I always do is make sure anything that I'm purchasing at the beauty store or anywhere, I ensure that I look on my expiry date. Because for instance, they say first come, first serve, or what come before, like your goods come before, they make sure to put that at the front and the newer product at the back. So I always go at the back and take up the long lasting one that will last me for a little more days. You understand? Because people don't want to waste their money. Skin lightening creams ain't cheap. It's not cheap. It's not cheap. I'm not gonna say people's skin lightening cream is the most expensive thing, but if you want to make your skin look flawless, it's costing you money and you want to save money, so you're not going to purchase something that is going to expire tomorrow and you never know because you just take up it. Okay, I'm the person that don't look on price when I'm shopping or don't look on expire dates. Are you like that? No, you're not gonna be like that. You'll make sure you look on the expire date. Well guys, it's the end of my video. Please like, share, subscribe and drop a comment. You know, it's your girl Samantha. Please watch the ad, share on your social media with your family, your friends. You don't know, it's not every single body bleach, but you can still share it on your social media. People who want bleach